Dynasty Ashley Show. We're making hot dogs.
Hey.
I'm Dynasty.
This is my left. That's my right.
The left. Your left.
Okay.
That's our G-Paul and Jano.
Yeah, my G and my J. So we're making hot dogs. We got an awesome hot dog cooker for it. It's awesome.
And there's the hot dogs.
Yeah, I'm trying to open them, but it's not working. Not too well. Cause it's gross.
And there's the hot dog buns.
With Jano right there. Hey Jano, say hi to the folks at the show.
Say hi.
Close enough.
That's good enough.
Send it up there.
Hey.
Go there.
Go where? We're here.
To the mall.
Previously on the Dynasty and Ashley Show, we were making jokes, and now we're making hot dogs. Okay, this is Dynasty and Ashley Show signing off.
How do I do it?